Hi everyone, welcome to Acres of Clay. Today is a very exciting day for our son Sanders. For those of you that are new to our channel, Sanders is our youngest son. He is almost 15 years old. Actually, March 1st he turns 15, so in a couple of weeks he's gonna have a birthday and he's pretty excited about that. But today is very exciting for him because the other day he purchased his very first truck. So a little backstory about the truck. Sanders bought this truck sight unseen. He bought it off an auction, an online auction, and he didn't go look at it ahead of time. He only went by what the description was and the pictures that they offered on the website. He knew going into this that it could be a really good deal or it could need a lot of work. One thing that we did know was it did not have a turbo, and we'll go into more details on that once we get it and I'll show it to you. But it didn't have a turbo, but he got a really good deal on it. But what we don't know is the motor good? So we just wait and see what it needs. And I know that my guys are not afraid of a little work. So Sanders, he doesn't care if it needs a little work done to it. He isn't afraid of fixing things. So we're gonna go pick it up. We're taking two vehicles. Ethan's hauling it with his vehicle. And did I tell you it's a diesel Ford 350? It has 4 doors and it has a box. It's pretty much the exact same thing as Ethan's truck. It's a 6.0, I believe. And so Ford 350 hauling another Ford 350. This should be interesting. This is what you bought. I'm missing a window. Nothing.
What that weird noise is? What was that noise? Clicking? I think battery is low.
That's it. You're hauling a 6-liter?
Just in case.
Oh, with a 6-liter? Okay. Same truck as Ethan's. Except it's 4-door, has a box. They taste great. That way. You gotta be able to get the front tires on. You want me to step on it?
How is this gonna work?
Made it home without any issues. Now they're gonna unload it. Now you have to get it. Oh boy. Well, we got it home, and they're already looking into it. Sanders, what kind of truck is this?
Ford.
Yeah,
What year? 03.
an 03 Ford 350. It doesn't turn over. The batteries are fully charged.
So what we did, or what Sanders did.
Who's talking? What'd you do?
He's talking. Oh, I'm talking. So where we bought it from, they said they couldn't get it to roll over. So we charged the batteries up to make sure they were holding voltage, or get them up to voltage, and they're up to voltage. So we tested the lights, the blower, all that stuff works. But what we found out is that the starter on it is
solenoid's not kicking in.
Yeah, the
The
solenoid don't
solenoid?
kick in, but the motor rolls over. So the starter motor. So first thing first, we want to make sure it rolls over, and then we'll go from there as to what, because it's missing the turbo. The oil has oil in the engine and the
Yeah, this is stripped out.
transmission. So that's stripped out.
Yeah, I can just keep turning.
No, that's your click to turn it.
Yep. Well, maybe it doesn't tighten too much.
That's an oil leak right there.
Oh.
So
So it's going to be a work in progress.
Yep.
But Sanders
little,
is
every little thing, you just kind of go through it. We'll get it to roll over, and then we'll find a turbo for it, and then we'll see if it starts. So
pretty excited. Of course you are. Look at that smile.